a tiny creature but full of delightful surprises, with smooth fur and bright eyes. The growth rate can be described as skyrocketing, with numbers ranging from 200,000 to 300,000 per year on large-scale farms. Worldwide consumption reaches over 100 million. It easily wins over even the most discerning diners. Are you curious about this creature? If so, sit tight, focus on the screen, and join me as we embark on today's exploration journey. Our main character is none other than the guinea pig, scientifically known as Cavia porcella. In South America, they are both pets and a primary food source. With their small size and rapid reproduction rate, they are an attractive choice for medium and small-scale farms. In developing agricultural countries, guinea pigs are considered to have significant growth potential, showing no signs of slowing down. They are rodents, and surprisingly, guinea pigs belong to the same family as rabbits. As evidence of their rapid development, guinea pigs can start reproducing as early as 2 to 3 months old. The birthing process of guinea pigs is a natural and fascinating one. Their estrus cycle lasts about 15 to 17 days, and the average gestation period is only around 65 days. Newborn guinea pigs are born with their eyes open, fully furred, and able to stand up right after birth. Guinea pigs require a balanced diet to maintain their health and development. They can eat hay, fresh vegetables, and various fruits. Additionally, they can be fed pellets formulated for guinea pigs. Fresh green foods play a crucial role in the diet of guinea pigs. These types of foods provide fiber that helps guinea pigs with better digestion. Alongside fresh greens, grains, and pellets are also necessary to ensure guinea pigs receive sufficient vitamins and minerals. In industrial farming facilities, the distribution of food needs to be carried out scientifically and efficiently. The food must be evenly distributed to ensure each guinea pig receives its fair share. Although they don't require a lot of living space, it is essential for their quality of life that they have opportunities for exercise. The height of the cage only needs to be around 30-40 cm, as they are not capable of jumping high. Cages should be made from safe and easy-to-clean materials like plastic or metal. The bottom of the cage should have a soft lining such as hay, shredded paper, or wood shavings to provide comfort for the guinea pigs and help absorb waste. In this case, cleaning is performed 15 days after the guinea pigs are placed in the enclosure. Typically, on our farm, we clean the cages every 30 days. The appropriate time to harvest them is when they reach a size of 1 to 1.5 K. which is typically after about 3 to 6 months of nurturing. Their growth rate is truly remarkable. After harvesting, they are transported to separate processing facilities. Guinea pigs are slaughtered using humane methods to minimize pain and stress. This process adheres to animal welfare regulations. Afterward, the guinea pigs are cleaned and prepped to remove any unnecessary part. The guinea pigs are dipped into extremely hot water once again to remove all the fur and ensure thorough cleaning before proceeding to the packaging stage. Finally, the packaged guinea pig meat is stored under controlled temperature and humidity conditions, typically in refrigerators, to ensure freshness and prevent contamination. In local regions, they can also be used to prepare various delicious dishes and become a specialty. These meat pieces can be further processed with various spices to produce different products, such as sausages or cured meat. In South American countries, guinea pigs have been turned into street food simply by adding a few spices such as pepper, cumin seeds, minced garlic, and other seasonings. After marinating the guinea pig evenly for about 30 to 40 minutes, they are placed on a baking tray and roasted at a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. After some time, the golden brown skin and the aroma spread, making it unforgettable for diners, especially tourists who can't resist the taste of this dish. To increase production, farmers have developed giant guinea pigs, whose meat yield is double that of normally raised guinea pigs. However, from an ethical standpoint, the slaughter of these adorable creatures has sparked intense debate between those who keep guinea pigs as pets and the commercial farming industry. What do you think about this debate? We would love to hear your opinions. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, visit my channel to discover more of our exciting discovery videos. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. With a fishing quota of up to 900,000 tons per year, as the key role of industrial countries in economic development, accounting for up to 70% of the global catch, commonly found in Asian countries as both a traditional and modern dish. None other than the main character of today is squid. Right now, follow me as we explore the process of catching and processing this animal. On modern fishing boats, navigation equipment and data maps are used to pinpoint the exact location of schools of fish and squid. The boat is equipped with squid fishing machines around it, featuring specialized hooks and fishing lines. The hooks are dropped into the water with attractive bait to lure the squid. When squid are detected to be caught, the crew begins to pull the nets and hooks onto the boat. For small squid, the boat's chute is designed as an important part of the squid fishing system. It helps automate the process of transferring squid from the catching location onto the boat. During the day, squid often hide in dark places, deep under the sea or in rock caves to avoid sunlight. At night, squid often swim near the surface to hunt and are attracted by the LED lights created by fishermen. Each time they go to sea, a large boat can catch and preserve about 70,000 to 100,000 squid under ideal conditions. It was truly a bountiful harvest day. After being caught, the squid is rinsed with clean seawater to remove impurities and retain its fresh flavor. The squid is sorted based on size and quality before being placed in foam boxes filled with ice for preservation. This helps the squid maintain its freshness and best quality throughout the transportation process. Finally, the squid is transported to processing plants or retail markets to reach consumers, ensuring that the squid remains in the best condition from the sea to the dining table. Here, workers begin the process of cleaning the squid by removing the head, internal organs, and ink sac from the body. These parts are carefully removed to prevent any contamination of the edible portion of the squid. After the internal organs are removed, the squid is thoroughly washed to eliminate any remaining impurities or dirt. The remaining parts that are not suitable for consumption can be discarded or repurposed in various ways. Skilled workers can perform this task manually using knives or other cutting tools to divide the meat into manageable portions. Additionally, automatic cutting equipment can be used to optimize the process and ensure uniformity in size and shape. To prevent discoloration and maintain the natural flavor of the squid, Factories also use additives that help preserve color and taste, ensuring that the squid meets the highest quality standards. In the squid processing industry, modern machinery is used to cut squid into various shapes and sizes to cater to diverse consumer and processing needs. For squid pieces, they are neatly arranged in trays according to predetermined standards, ensuring each tray is uniform and appealing. After that, plastic wrap is tightly sealed around the tray and heat sealed to preserve the squid before placing it in the freezer. Once the squid parts have undergone the necessary processing steps, they are ready to be packaged and frozen to preserve freshness and quality. The finished squid is carefully portioned and placed into appropriate packaging for freezing. Squid is not only used as a whole, but many other parts are also very useful and are processed into various products. All parts of the squid have high nutritional value and can be prepared into a variety of rich dishes. Depending on the preferences of the manufacturer and the target market. The portions can be packaged in various formats such as vacuum-sealed bags, plastic containers, or trays with protective film. In Asian countries, squid is very versatile on the dining table. In Japanese cuisine, squid sashimi is favored for its natural sweetness and chewy texture. In Korea, spicy stir-fried squid is a specialty, combining squid with chili peppers and vegetables to create a rich, flavorful dish. The production process of squid provides an in-depth look at the sophisticated procedures involved in seafood processing, from harvesting to packaging. The squid fishing industry is a highly potential and important sector in the global seafood economy. If you're fascinated by the behind-the-scenes work of seafood production, visit my page to watch interesting